Amid the Q-com boom, Swiggy continues to remain a buzz. The company has now increased the size of the primary issue of the offering from 3,750 crore rupees to now 5,000 crore rupees. The OFS element, of course, remains unchanged at 6,600 crore rupees. Let's go across to my colleague Sharad, who's bringing in the details of this IPO-bound company.
Well, it's an important development coming in for Swiggy, and media reports suggest that the overall size of the primary issue has increased from 3,750 crores to almost 5,000 crore rupees. Now, of course, the OFS element remains the same, and as per the unlisted deals in the markets ranging between 6,500 to 7,000 crore. That means overall, the Swiggy's IPO size would be more than 11,000 crore rupees. Now, of course, the key buyers in the unlisted space and the buzz is there coming. The larger folks are there like Amitabh Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit, Karan Johar, Ashish Chaudhary. These folks have actually taken participation in the secondary markets as well. Now let's see how Zomato and Swiggy pan out. At first we are going to see the FY24 numbers, and of course the PAT is something to watch out for these companies, and Swiggy is still not profitable while Zomato on the other hand is profitable. The overall average order value that remains almost roughly the same. And of course if you look at the FY24 numbers for the operational metrics as well, that is also weighing in on Zomato's side overall. And of course the market share, recent data, is almost 54% for Zomato. And overall if you look at the valuations, overall the expected valuation for Swiggy's IPO expected to be range between $15 to $18 billion, while in the listed space Zomato's valuation stands at roughly $29 billion. Apart from this, there are certain growth numbers also which we would like to point out. The first quarter and as well as the FY24 numbers, if you look at Zomato and Swiggy, Zomato is having strong numbers, especially when it comes to the food delivery GOV. GOV is nothing but the gross order value, operational metric to track, and also quick commerce, the dark stores growth. If you look at it, Zomato is having a higher growth in both FY24 as well as the first quarter of FY25.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.